Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on advanced and find reset options. Let's tap. As you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And here we have to simply, we do not have to, but we can read that your device will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings and confirm it. Be aware that you cannot undo this action. Wait a second, and as you can see here, we've got the information that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.